I'm Ann Kalass, CEO of Starfish Family Services, and I wanted to share some important information and updates with our broad Starfish community. Since March of 2020, our primary focus as an organization has been on the safety and well-being of children and families in our care, our employees, and our broader community here in Southeast Michigan. We've instituted really clear and dynamic safety protocols to keep up with the latest knowledge and information in our own learnings, including screening daily at all of our centers, enhanced cleaning, mask wearing, encouragement of vaccinations, and every possible safety protocol you can imagine. We've put it in place and it's worked over the last 19 months. Safety has and will continue to come first. We want to share with our community that Starfish recently instituted a mandatory vaccination policy for our 400 plus valued employees. Since last January, when vaccinations became available here across our country, we have been adamant in our encouragement to our employees and our community about the importance of vaccinations in consultation with our individual healthcare providers. And we believe in vaccinations as one of the key tools in our toolbox to keep our community safe. We see vaccinations as a community level strategy to move us past this pandemic. Many of our children and our clients here at Starfish, the vast majority of them are under the age of 5. They are not eligible for vaccinations. And children in our classrooms that are below 3 don't wear masks. And we know that we're working in neighborhoods and communities in Southeast Michigan that have been disproportionately impacted by COVID-19, and they remain some of the communities with the lowest levels of vaccination rates. So we at Starfish, in order to keep our centers open, keep our clinics open, we are mandating that by November 12th, all of our employees, to keep one another and our families and neighborhoods safe, will be vaccinated. And we feel very strongly that we've made the right decision, again, in the spirit of safety and keeping our doors open for children and families who need us to show up during these challenging times. I talk a lot with our employees about how challenging these last 19 months have been. Personally, I can speak to my own exhaustion and just the relentless challenges of this pandemic and other factors and circumstances and challenges that our country faces on many, many levels. And we all just want to get to the other side. We appreciate the encouragement, the support, not only of our employees, but of our families who want to do right also by their children and their community, to just hang in there and just sort of this relentless attention on safety while we're trying to live out our lives and meet the needs of children who have really been impacted through the pandemic. There's lots of information out there. If you still have questions about the vaccination, Michigan.gov has a lot of information about facts and myth busting on the pandemic and about vaccinations specifically. And we encourage you to go there. We encourage you to talk to your Starfish liaison if you're a client and direct service provider. There are so many resources, not only about the vaccination, but where to get them these days. And on our website, starfishfamilyservices.org, we've been committed to providing a lot of information, not only about our safety protocols, so that people feel safe and welcomed coming through our doors, but also where people inside and outside of Starfish can get vaccinations and information. So we wanted you to understand and be knowledgeable about our commitment to safety. We wish you well, and we, like we are with our employees, encourage everyone who's able to get vaccinated as a key part of moving past this really challenging period in our collective history. We thank you.